Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Google Search Console to diagnose ranking drops, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Search Console website. Log into your account using your Google credentials. Once logged in, select the property for the website you want to analyze. On the left sidebar, click on the Performance tab to access performance reports. Here, you will see key metrics such as total clicks, impressions, average click-through rate, and average position. Take note of any significant drops in clicks or impressions over the selected date range. To diagnose the issue, adjust the date range to compare performance with a previous period when rankings were stable. Look for any patterns in the drop, such as specific pages or queries. Next, click on the Coverage tab in the left sidebar. Review the status of your indexed pages. Look for any pages with errors, warnings, or excluded status that may affect your rankings. Address any issues by clicking on the affected pages and following suggested fixes. Return to the left sidebar and click on the Enhancements section. Inspect the mobile usability, core web vitals, and other data points for any performance issues. If any issues are highlighted, prioritize resolving them to improve user experience. Next, go to the Links tab to analyze internal and external links. Check for any significant loss of backlinks that could impact your website's authority. Monitor the Manual Actions section to ensure your site isn't being penalized by Google for any violations. If any manual actions are present, follow the guidelines provided to rectify them. Next, proceed to the Security and Manual Actions section to verify if there are any security issues reported. Address any security vulnerabilities immediately to maintain your site's trustworthiness. Consider reviewing the Settings menu for any property settings that may have changed. If you've made recent changes to your site, such as a redesign or migration, evaluate the impact on SEO. After completing your checks, create a report summarizing your findings and actionable steps to address any ranking drops. Regularly monitor your performance in Google Search Console to catch any future issues early. With these steps, you'll be equipped to effectively diagnose and address any ranking drops on your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.